Okay, this is the current indirect water heater setup, Burnham Alliance. This is the current piping of where it's going now. Trying to show everything that's here. Okay. It's set up in the back. This is let's see if we can get this. One of the labels off of it. This is the back. This is the plate. Bring this in close. It's model number 080-15745. It's a 41 gallon. This is the back of it. Current back of it. Okay. Okay. And what else? There's a other side of it. Okay. The water circulation pump. And the rest of that. For draining, if this needs to go out, it can be drained right here. Where's my sump pump? So it can go right out if it needs to be, the house needs to be drained. And that's it. That is the pump. That needs to get replaced. This is the water heater. Water heater's fine. And the rest of the setup. Leak is underneath here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see that, but small leak. And that's it. Pipes are pretty new actually. Valves are pretty new. And that's all she wrote.